Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how you can use the side buttons of the mouse, the ones that kinda good mouse have to turn back and turn forward the page, but I thought of using a better function to those since I hardly use them for a page up, a page down, or go back, go forward. So I had always this application called XmouseInput, which I use it for a better usage of the buttons. Like for fast chat, I prefer to use the top button to code my program to search everything, and the bottom one to basically quickly open and reclose the configurations or the application which is in the 6th slot. This one is Chrome, now is Xmouse. So I want to use this as advantage to a new feature that I discovered on the Xbox Bar, which is basically the widgets. The widgets, I found this widget useful called Unmute. And basically Unmute is a really simple widget in the Xbox Bar store, which you can really find easily, and it's free. This one. Basically you just click to unmute and mute the program. You can hide the bar and basically just install it, really simple, and it will be like this. Like so. So in case you want to play a game and suspend your voice via click, just add it on the top. You'll see it's a half transparent. Click it. You will be able to speak. But I thought of using again Xmouse button configuration to basically quick run the button. And what I did, I'll change on level 2. What I did was for games which are not first-person shooters, and you can move the mouse more freely without problems, and a version with the first-person shooters, like in case you're playing and you want to disable your mic quickly. The first option is basically you set this code to save your current mouse position. Set your mouse position at the corner. Click the normal left click. And then reload the position. If done correctly, basically it will do something like this. As you can see, the mouse was quickly unmute and mute. You can see the flicker of the mouse quickly. It means it worked. This, for example, has totally no issue here in case for the program. It's called XmouseButtonControl. In case of games like Deltarune or Undertale Yellow, even at full screen, it will not be an issue because the game, even if it's full screen, you will be able to see the thing, and the mouse, it's not thing that bothers you. So you can just right click it and you're good to go. The main issue when I did this, which is kinda how could I say, a way to get it working in the first-person shooters. It's like, because in the first-person shooters the mouse, it will be always at the center. So you can't quickly pass it and out in the corner because you'll shoot basically, or you look at something which doesn't work. I mean, it worked, but you needed to spam a little bit the button. So my mind was like, okay, I just put level 3 layer. In this layer, basically, I not click on the bottom left, but I click on the center a little bit lower. A little bit lower, because if you put the icon on the top, even if semi-transparent, it will be kind of bother to see while playing. Just a little on the bottom, it will help you actually to get it without obstructing your view. So the better thing to kind of get in the position is to, like, you start the game, the mouse will be centered, then open the game bar, and you will basically put the nail where the lower icon is, right here, for example. As you can see, it doesn't obstruct much the view. And to get it done, to get the position correctly, you basically get the same thing here. Click get position, get it here, copy, and paste it. Make a further level for this. For make a level, another level, just go here. Or in the option of the application, ask number of layers, this one. Just increase it. So once you get the position correctly, you'll play the game. You can play the game normally, it doesn't obstruct you. You have it pinned in the correct position. And then you need to a little bit spam it to get it right, because on first shooting, you can see it doesn't work immediately. It's not a guaranteed shot. But like, if you click it at least 2 times, it will work. Like here, you need to basically a little bit fire it off. But since you are looking at the center, it doesn't obstruct your view. And you can see if it's on or off. In case you prefer a little more transparent or invisible icon, you can go in the widget configurations. Everybody grab a weapon. Personalize, and here on the click through disabled, press the put how much invisible you want it to be. I don't think we need to hit him just in the head. 1 is basically visible. 99 is basically invisible. Everybody grab a weapon. I would recommend to put it on 69, 66 or 65 of measurement, which is a nice overall view of the thing. Then we have when you don't want to use it, just press here, uncheck it, and you're good to go. You're playing as if there's nothing. The button will not work, but you can see you can see the game basically. So to get it, the widget, just configuration of the widget, just click the options. If you want to see the entire bar, you can put this one on visible. This one disable all audio, or only just the default one. Close it, reopen it, and you will see the entire bar, in case you prefer to see the bar, for example.
What is that noise?
I know this way it's not 100% professional, but I would say it can help you at least to get it thing for free, which is really awesome in case you have a family which disrupts you a lot, or just in case you don't want to get recording screwed up. So you kind of put this on the place and you're sure you're not forgetting something. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice new year, and take care.